welcome to my channel. My name is Anna, and today I'm going to do a fun project with you. In a couple of weeks, we're celebrating Lorenzo and Benjamin's birthday party, and it's going to be dinosaur theme. So I thought it was fun to do these pterodactyls wings. Okay. And they're super easy and they're super cute. If you have a kid that loves dinosaurs, he will definitely love this. So what we'll need from this project is some fabric, whatever color you want, whatever fabric you want. I found this and it was cheap, and it was the only ones they have in bright colors. And you will need two. Well, you can do it with one, but I'm going to use 2 colors per cape, and I'm going to do 4 capes for each of my sons. So yeah, you can choose whatever color you want, whatever fabric you want. And we will need some ribbon, whatever color as well. You can mix and match colors as you want. Ribbon, I am using the no-sew glue. You will need like a marker, a light one, because we're going to mark on the fabric, so you can cut the lines but won't mark you. I mean, you can use a pencil or whatever you want to mark the fabric. Scissors, of course, some big paper so you can measure your kid. Okay, so, and actually we're going to start with the paper. So we're going to open your large piece of paper, and you're going to get your model to lay down on top of it, and you will open his arms or her arms, and you will measure from the wrist, and you will mark to the neck, and then the other side from the neck to the wrist, and that will be your total measurement. Okay, so now we have the measurement, and then we'll just do like a V type of on the bottom, like a drawing, a V type of bottom, and this will be your measurement, and now we're going to cut our template. Okay, so you get your fabric, you place your template on top of the fabric, and you will mark it. Let's see if the yellow marks. Yeah, that's fine. So you mark your template to the fabric. Okay, so we have our cape, and then what we're going to do is I'm going to glue the ribbon as a neck for they to tie them, and then on the hands another like a loop for them to put them on their hands. So I got 2 pieces of ribbon. My accents. So I'm going to use the orange. And what I'm going to do, I mean, you can do like some stripes here, or you can do a triangle in here. And I'm going to do the triangle. So you can fold it in half. So you just do one, and you will have 2, the same size and the same. Just fold it in half, and then you'll just cut the triangle, or whatever shape you want. I'm not going to cut this because I'm going to glue it first, and then I will turn it around and I'll cut the same shape as the cape. So hopefully my glue will help us this time. We just place some glue. The other one. Now that it's like this, you turn it around and you'll cut the same shape as the yellow. Have it. And now we're going to glue the ribbon. For the hands, you will do a loop, like just think of your son's like hand, and just like this, you'll cut it, and you will glue just the tip, like this, and then you will just glue also just the tip here, and put the strings on top, so that way he can put it like he can, or she can. And we'll do another loop for the other hand, more or less the same size. If you want it more secure, you can stitch like 1 or 2 points here and then here, so you can have it like they can play. I mean, if they play roughly like my kids do, most likely I'm going to do some stitches just to make sure it won't fall off. It's just like 1 or 2 points. Okay, I think it turned out great. Hope your kids enjoy them. as much. I mean, we're going to just use them for the party, and I will have them put it on, and I'll take a picture. But it's so cute. It is like they will think they're flying. Guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like it and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.